going on, everybody? This week's episode, well, maybe this 2-week, 3-week episode, maybe. This project is going to be kind of big. We're going to have a lot of stuff going on here. This is my garage transformation. You can tell from other previous videos, it's not looking too hot in here. Let's go take a quick walk around. Ooh. Ladders everywhere, hose. That's another story right there. Had a nice little leak 2 weeks after I moved in. Everything's all piled up in the corner. Ooh, looking a little rough, guys. Floor. Ooh. Previous owners had some pretty leaky cars, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of that too. So let's get to it, guys. We're gonna go ahead to our favorite box store. I'm gonna go pick up all the products I'm gonna use. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's do this. We have arrived. Okay, we're gonna need some degreaser and some floor etcher. Then where is it? Rust-Oleum's Epoxy Shield Clear Coat. So protect it, but also make it nice and shiny. Now, we're going to experiment. We're going to use something a little different this time. We're going to go ahead and go with Bare Premium's one-step floor epoxy. Save ourselves a few bucks. Let's go ahead and grab 2 of those. And finally, where are they? We need some... There they are. We need some blue flakes. Nice blue, gray, black, white mixed flakes. Top it all off. All right, everybody. I know I'm moving kind of fast here, but don't worry. I'll have a link in the description below of all the products that we use for this project. And now, let's go get some paint brushes and some rollers.
Well, we came to get rollers, but someone went missing and left me alone. Guess we gotta go find them. Sir, we didn't come here for that. You don't need that. You don't need it. I'm gonna need you to put it back.
But it's brushless.
You didn't come here for that. You need to put it back. Come on, need to get rollers. Sir.
Alright, everybody, we're back from Home Depot. We got all the products we needed to get this project going. But first, we got to clean this place up. We got to get all this stuff out of the way. Last minute decision. I'm going to go ahead and rip these steps out, guys. They're pretty ugly, bulky, and uneven. And we're going to get creative. We're going to make something pretty cool. Man, that was pretty painful. Took longer than I thought. And I got a little surprise. I got some sheetrock work to do in that corner. But hey, we got it out. Let's move on. Alright everybody, so I jumped forward a little bit. For the top section of the wall and the ceiling, I used a Silverstone gray, and for the lower portion, I used an onyx gray. And now I'm taping up the accent or dividing line for the wall. We're going for a two-tone effect here. Alright everybody, we're done painting. Now it's time to let this stuff dry. We'll come back in a few days and start prepping the floor. Remember guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for part 2.